Hello and good morning. Welcome to the channel today. Today it is, 5:30 in the morning. And we're on the way to Snowdonia. I think we need some breakfast though on the way. So, McDonald's it is. Let's go. Welcome to Ogwen Cottage. We're at the base of the Glyders, which is where we're going. We're going Glyder Fach and Glyder Fawr. Hopefully that's how you pronounce them. And just behind is Fain. And just through the trees you have Ogwen. Ogwen. We're hoping that the cloud base is just below the summit and we get a bit of a cloud inversion. But we will see. It is 8 o'clock and yeah, let's get ready to go. This is where we are and this path is where we're going. Up the Devil's Kitchen, up to Glyder Fach and Glyder Fawr. Possibly to Fain, but more than likely we'll come back down here, back to the car.
Ditching for a walk across that, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Please fall in, please fall in.
Please. Oh. He's regretting this now.
What an idiot!
Yeah. You're going to get wet, mate. That's what you're doing there.
Oh no! I tried to hit that. Fail!
Fail! Oh, here we go. That's hard work. Views are amazing. I think we've completed Devil's Kitchen. Here's the style. Whew. That's a good climb. Onwards. Devil's Kitchen, and now we've got to go up here and we can just see the top, but this is all loose horrible stuff. Oh great. That's a 1,000-metre drop. It's a bit windy. Look at this. The cantilever. And there's Glyder Fach. Wow, what a walk that was. Absolutely epic. And we're back where we started. So I think it's the perfect time to end. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that jazz. And we will see you in the next one. Say goodbye, Dan. Bye, Dan. Dean's over there.